What's up everybody, today we're going to talk about a coin called eCASH because this coin right now is basically exploding. So let's begin, let's check out what just happened here to this coin. Basically, as you can see here on CoinMarketCap, we can see that this coin did increase by 40%, maybe even more, but we're now seeing some kind of correction for the coin. It says here the volume did increase by 250%, which is just insane here. 700 million or say almost 800 million volume, and the market cap right now for this coin is 3.3 billion dollars, which is just insane to see. Now this coin has been previously called Bitcoin Cash ABC, and now it's called eCash. So basically they changed everything about the coin, and it has been redominated to 1 to 1 million ratio. So this is what actually happened here. So pretty cool to see that this coin did increase ever since it did change. So awesome, just interesting things are happening to this coin. If you are interested in this coin, you can check it out on all these different exchanges. So Binance, OKX, Indodex, also Huobi Global, like so many big exchanges did list this coin. So super cool to see, but mostly all the volume here is coming from Binance. So it looks like Binance did recently list this coin, and just because that the volume did basically increase just a lot. So let's check out what eCash is all about. If we actually go here to the chart, you can see this huge increase. If we measure from this level all the way to this level, it's 260% increase. But if we go all the way to here to the all-time high, it's 315%, which is just insane. But ever since this high here, we did increase, but yeah, 230. Now we're back at 130, and that's still pretty okay. As you can see, the RSI here was super overbought, so people just bought this coin too much here, so we had to have a pullback, and the pullback did happen. Like I said, we did increase by I think probably 30% here. But as you can see, how now we're back at the buying power, so people are buying the coin right now. So stabilization is key right now. This blue line here, this 20 EME, has actually needs to touch the graph here. So probably gonna stabilize here. The blue is gonna touch the graph, and if we have still buying power, then it's going to continue to go up here. Now it all depends what's going to happen, but as you can see, what happened the last time is we did go up, then stabilize for a pretty long time. So how long do we stabilize? Basically here for 7 days. After 7 days, massive pump, massive increase. So this is what exactly happened to the coin. So something like this could happen again here, where we are going to stabilize for the next couple of days here. Or over now, you can see like the volume here just increasing. If you actually go to the one hour chart, then you can see that we did have like these waves. So maybe there's a chance that we are actually going to break down. Yeah, you can just see here the 1 hour chart how the blue line did touch the graph here, which is amazing. But can we break to the top side? That's the question right now. Is it something that's possible? Is it something that's doable? I think we can. It's going to take some time right now. What needs to happen is that we need to go down a little bit more. We need to bounce off, hit this level, and break through. Now, it's going to be super difficult. It all depends on the buying power, but if you do have enough buying power, this can happen. Now, because the whole market is going down, I don't know what to say. There is a chance that something like this could happen because people did sell the coins. So maybe like this coin here, maybe they want to invest into this coin here. Maybe that's a chance here. Maybe there's a chance that this coin should be able to go up even more. But it all depends what's going to happen next couple of hours. For now, like I said, we're not seeing too much buying power because the selling power did overturn everything. So a lot of selling power did happen here this year. Like I said, 30% is still a lot. Seeing this coin going up, is it possible? Yes, there is a possibility, but how much can it go up? Well, the market cap is already a lot higher than I expected. So like I said, 3.3 billion. So that's a huge number here. You can just see the market cap is still increasing by a lot. Like we just get like 20 million, like even more than 20 million in just a couple of minutes here. If that continues, then there is a chance that this coin should be able to continue to go up even more. But you can see here, this is at the 1 day, but you can see here basically exact same thing. We're getting lower and lower. So the buying power is just getting lower and lower, and that's just not a good sign. But the selling power stays the same here. So there's a chance that we will break down to the downside actually. But like I said, if we do make a huge reversal, that is possible. If something big happens here to eCash, if they have some new announcements, then of course the coin will continue to go up. And of course, there's still so many exchanges that could list this coin in the future. So there is also that possibility that this coin, just because that, should be able to go up. Like imagine like Coinbase listing the coin and stuff like that. Like I said, it could make the coin just explode in price and just continue to go up. For now we are going down, like we are kind of stabilizing here, but it is an okay sign. Like I said, it is an okay sign. Probably it's going to happen that it's a bigger chance for us to go to the downside Only if something good happens, then we should be able to break to the top side. But for now, we are going down. The whole market actually is going kind of down right now. We're kind of seeing some buying power right now, but it's still not enough here. We're gonna need a lot more if we want all these coins to continue to go up. So patience. Right now, it's patience is a good time to buy. It all depends. If we do break down, then it's of course better to buy the dip than to start buying right over here or at the top. So it all depends. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Hopefully this coin will be able to go up even more later on. So this is their website. So eCash basically, yeah, it looks pretty weird but pretty cool at the same time, saying a wealth redefined. So simple, instant source. Experience the revolutionary new money from the creators of Bitcoin Cash. So about eCash and get eCash here if you want so. So let's see here, eCash story, get started. Introducing eCash, the new battle-tested cryptocurrency forged from centuries of economic theory and over a decade of real-world crypto experience. eCash is the implementation of tech-secured sound money, envisioned by luminaries in monetary philosophy like Milton Friedman. So super cool to see. You can check out the trailer like this video if you do want so. Okay, what makes eCash unique? So Avalanche, a consensus protocol to enhance blockchain security, enable near instant confirmation times, and streamline future network upgrades. Staking, decentralized governance by incentivized stakeholders. E-tokens, eCash supports tokens and dividend payments. Create your own token with customized name, supply, decimal places, and icon. And small convenient denomination. So because money shouldn't have 8 decimal places. So learn more. You can check out the rest of it if you do want so. It says here new and future. So roadmap. So this is completion, underway, and planning. So scaling. eCash is scaled from 100 TX to over 5 million TX. Mass parallelization is necessary to achieve mankind scale. Okay, so it's mankind. First thing is concealed transaction ordering. So scalable block processing, scorn signatures, so batch signature validation, quick, let's say, lightning fast network, faster block propagation, okay, UTXO commitment, mark clicks, metadata tree, and adaptive block size. Okay, mankind scale, 50 transactions day for 10 billion humans. Okay, usability, improve the eCash payment experience to ensure that it's instant and reliable. Transactions must be received instantly and be completely secure within seconds. So cash adder, signed hashes, convenient units, cash fusion, avalanche preconsensus, reference indexer, zero knowledge, subchain, and fractional satoshis. So best money, secure within 3 seconds, transaction fees forever low. Extensibility, so make eCash extensible. An extensible protocol makes future improvements less disruptive and providing a solid base for businesses and developers to build on. So fundamental optic code like OP codes, larger OP returns OP check data sign. So Avalanche post consensus, EMV, subchain advanced OP codes, and new transaction formats. So it says here in the end, agile blockchain support tomorrow's economy. So basically you can add on it. So developers can just add on it a lot faster without any problems of transitions. So yeah, so the rebirth of eCash and Avalanche advantages. So they made like an AMA or like a podcast here talking about the coin, I think. Talking about everything about the coin. So that's pretty interesting. We have like, just huge news report saying, the founder of Bitcoin Cash and now head of Bitcoin ABC relaunch as eCash. So this guy is the founder of Bitcoin Cash, which is super interesting. A new project dedicated to becoming the best digital cash in the world. So we got into the history of Bitcoin Cash, its current development state, and what has happened since the split. We go over what aspects digital cash needs to have in order to achieve wide adoption. And we go into how eCash uses Avalanche consensus in order to provide a second layer which can advance very quickly and provide services that plain old Nakamoto consensus cannot. So there you go. You can check out the video. It's like it's a video on YouTube, so do check it out if you're interested into eCash or like Bitcoin Cash ABC. So this is super interesting. So this coin does have like a lot of potential just because the founder here, who's working on like this coin also. So this is here the Twitter, not really too many followers, but like I said, pretty much this should be like a new account here. So seeing this is still pretty amazing that they're already having like this much engagement. So super cool to see. They're posting every single day. So here, tapping into the concerns about privacy and mistrust of centralized powers. eCASH blockchain focuses on bridging a technically sound, politically decentralized governance protocol to the crypto ecosystem. So, how blockchain will change the way we work and play and stay healthy in the future. You can check it out if you do want. So, okay. So the coin is now listed on a simple swap instant exchange. So there you go. So you can simply swap the coin if you do want. So eCash enthusiast chain has been handing out XEC to encourage eCash content creators. So creation, actually, people have been creating amazing eCash related art, memes, tutorials, and other content. Why not participate? You can have some fun, support eCash, and maybe win some XEC at the same time. Super cool to see here they're promoting themselves and good things are happening. Like I said, right, the value of this coin is at $3 billion, which is a huge market cap here. And people are just super interested into the coin and good things are happening. But yeah, in the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me. If you're gonna like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.